What happens if you stop sleeping, day by day? Imagine this. Tonight, you decide you're not going to sleep. Tomorrow comes, and you're still awake. Another day passes, then another. How long could you last? At first, it might not seem like a big deal. Maybe you've pulled an all-nighter before. But what happens inside your brain over the next several days is far stranger than most people realize. Your memory begins to fail. Your emotions become unpredictable. You may start seeing things that aren't there. Eventually, your brain begins forcing itself to sleep, even if you're trying to stay awake. This is what happens to the human body, day by day, without sleep. Why we need sleep. Scientists still don't fully understand why we sleep, but they know one thing. It's essential for survival. While you're asleep, your brain isn't shutting off. In many ways, it's busier than when you're awake. Memories are organized, hormones are released, damaged cells are repaired. Your immune system gets stronger. Even waste products that build up in your brain throughout the day are flushed away. Think of sleep like your body's overnight maintenance crew. Without it, little problems begin stacking up until they become major ones. So, what happens if that maintenance crew never shows up? First, 24 hours. The first day isn't usually dramatic. You'll probably feel tired, really tired. Your eyelids become heavy, concentration becomes harder, and simple tasks suddenly require much more effort. Research suggests that after about 17 to 19 hours awake, your mental performance can resemble someone who has been drinking alcohol. You might miss details, forget what someone just told you, or find yourself rereading the same sentence over and over. Your body is already asking for sleep. 48 hours. After 2 days, things become much more noticeable. Your immune system begins losing effectiveness. Stress hormones increase. You become more emotional. Small inconveniences suddenly feel overwhelming. Many people report having trouble finding simple words or finishing thoughts. Hunger also changes. Sleep deprivation increases the hormones that make you feel hungry, while reducing the hormones that tell you you're full. That's one reason people who consistently sleep less often struggle with weight gain. 72 hours. Around the third day, your brain starts fighting back. It begins something called a micro-sleep. These are tiny episodes lasting only a few seconds where parts of your brain briefly fall asleep without your permission. Your eyes may remain open, you may not even realize it happened. But during those few seconds, you're essentially unconscious. If you're driving, climbing, or operating machinery, those few seconds can be fatal. Your memory also starts becoming unreliable. You may forget conversations from just minutes earlier, 4 to 5 days. This is where things become truly frightening. Hallucinations may begin. Some people see insects crawling across walls. Others hear voices. Some become convinced they're being watched. Your brain is trying desperately to function without the recovery it needs. Judgment becomes poor. Decision-making falls apart. Even simple math problems can feel impossible. Can you actually die? This raises an obvious question. Can sleep deprivation actually kill you? Directly. It's incredibly rare for a healthy person to die solely from staying awake. But the consequences of severe sleep deprivation can be deadly. People are far more likely to have serious accidents because of slowed reaction times, impaired judgment, or micro-sleeps. Long-term sleep deprivation is also associated with increased risks of heart disease, diabetes, depression, and other chronic health problems. The record. One of the most famous cases involved a teenager named Randy Gardner, who stayed awake for just over 11 days as part of a school science experiment in 1964. During the experiment, he experienced severe fatigue, memory problems, mood changes, and hallucinations. Fortunately, after recovering with sleep under medical supervision, he did not appear to suffer lasting physical effects. Today, researchers generally avoid repeating experiments like this because the risks are considered too high. Endingle. Sleep might feel like wasted time, but it's actually one of the most important things your body does. Every night, your brain repairs itself, organizes memories, strengthens your immune system, and prepares you for the next day. Skip one night, and you'll probably feel miserable. Skip several, and your brain begins to lose its grip on reality. So the next time you're tempted to stay up until 3 a.m. watching just one more video, remember this. Your body can go weeks without food. It can survive days without water. But without sleep, it begins to unravel much faster than most people realize. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the incredible things happening inside your body every day, subscribe and let me know in the comments, what should we explore next?